What updates should Axure make to compete with Figma in terms of functionality? Axure is a powerful prototyping tool, but to compete with Figma, it may need to consider the following updates. Real-time collaboration. One of Figma's main advantages is its support for real-time collaboration, allowing team members to work simultaneously on the same project. Axure may need to introduce similar functionality to enable more efficient teamwork. Cloud storage and sharing. Figma allows users to store and share their designs directly in the cloud, making it easy to collaborate with clients and team members. Axure may need to provide more robust cloud storage and sharing options. Intuitive user interface. Some users find Figma's user interface more intuitive and user-friendly. Axure may need to consider updating its user interface to make it more intuitive and easier for new users to learn and use. Design systems. Figma supports the creation and maintenance of design systems, which is useful for maintaining brand consistency and improving design efficiency. Axure may need to introduce more powerful design system features. Integration. Figma can integrate with other tools like Sketch and Adobe XD, as well as third-party apps like Zeppelin and Dribbble. Axure may need to offer more integration options, allowing users to seamlessly incorporate it into their workflow. Performance optimization. Figma performs better than Axure when handling large files and complex projects. Axure may need to optimize its performance to handle these tasks more effectively. Cross-platform support. Figma is a browser-based tool that can run on any operating system. Axure may need to consider providing broader cross-platform support. Animation and interaction. While Axure is already powerful in animation and interaction, Figma offers more possibilities through plugins and third-party integrations. Axure may need to expand its animation and interaction capabilities to remain competitive.